I done told you I'm tired of you. Stop your mess. Got on my last nerve, Karen. This one right here, if I wasn't for sure she wasn't going to have babies, she would have been going to freezer camp. She was just a jerk. Just about done with it. This girl right here, see what I mean? Let me pause y'all for a minute. Anyways, she's a jerk. She gotta go. I don't like that she rams the babies. I don't like that she rams the other goats who are pregnant. So she will either be leaving, she'll either go, somebody will buy her, or I'm gonna put her in the freezer camp. If I didn't know for sure, like I said, if she was pregnant, I would definitely be putting her in the freezer. She's a jerk. Don't even know why I got that goat. But let's look at the babies. That's Mocha's baby. She better start feeding them because I'm going to start tying her to the fence. Here lately she hasn't been trying to feed them. Whenever she wants to wean them, she's done. So she better start feeding them better. Nice little babies. Come here. Let's see, I'm going to name the black and white one, the little male, Gizmo. And then the little female, her name is going to be Cookie. Come here, guys. You going to run from me if I try to pick you up? She runs. Well, apparently he does too. But they're cute little babies. Look at you smiling at. Look at him smiling at. Pretty baby. Let's talk about, I've got does due this month. So we're in February now. Today's February the 2nd. I have does due this month. And Dixie here. Dixie's due the 22nd of February. Trixie would be due around the same time, but I don't know if she really took. She doesn't have an udder just yet. Well, she might be getting a small one. So maybe she took on the 2nd or so cycle. Oh, hi. What you doing, Tony? Tony's a sweet baby. Yeah. Where's the bottle baby? And then these two are actually the only two that I have due. Well, no, I say that. This little female, if you can see her right there. Okay, so I don't know when she was bred, but she's got a good little udder on her. And Nanny quit. Nanny quit! And Nanny's probably about to go to a new home too. She doesn't give that much milk. It takes her long. I think she's an older goat, so it takes her long to, produce milk and stuff. So I think actually she may be going to a new home also. Hey, stop being a jerk. No sense in it. But yeah, little Miss Trixie. She's getting a bump, so she must have took later on. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see what happened. Stop being mean to her. Tired of y'all being mean to each other. It makes no sense. You get fed every day. But anyways, this one here, she's got a good little bump on her. So actually, I think she's going to be due at any time. I'm just waiting. It's just a waiting game. And if she does, she's going to have a really tiny baby. I would like to see if I can get a picture of her udder so y'all could see it. But she moves too much. She's not friendly at all. Yeah, she's getting swollen back there. So she's getting ready. I can't get close enough to check her ligaments. So we just can't check those. And then I want to show everybody kind of what's been happening. Hang on, let me get over this fence here. Okay, so let me turn you around here. Oh, hi, Spooky. So I'm gonna take y'all around. I want to show y'all kind of what I've been doing. I've been taking off on Fridays. Girl, get over here. And if I take off and I have like a 3-day weekend, I get quite a bit of stuff done. But I want to show y'all kind of what we've been doing and kind of what's happening. We took down an old spruce tree that I had, or actually it's a cedar tree. I'm going to burn the rest of it. I don't know if I'll burn it today. It's kind of windy. We aren't under a burn ban, but I don't want to risk it. You are not supposed to be on this side of the fence. So, right here we cut off all of the fencing for the chickens. So all the fencing for the chickens, they are on that side. That turkey's supposed to be over there too, but she flew over, I'm assuming. The old greenhouse is getting a makeover. that wind must have really blew that, because it was not looking like that. We've been having some really bad wind last night, and this greenhouse was not really tilted that much. So got to figure out what's going on there. Let's see. Let me shake. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to tear that down before it falls. Yep, the wind. The lovely, lovely wind. So I'll be working on that today, trying to get that down. I'm gonna have to take it down in pieces and put it back up in pieces. But it's actually gonna get moved over here where we cut down that cedar tree. It's gonna come right in the front of it. And I still don't know if I need to cut this tree down just yet or not. But I kind of want it to go right here. Watch out, duck. I kind of want it to go right here in this area. I want to, because there's more sun hits right here, and that's where I want to be able to, you know, have my greenhouse where it can get quite a bit of sun. They were going to be putting them UV panels on. I think that's what they're called, UV panels. But I'm not able to take the rest of that cedar tree out. It's awful. If you haven't noticed, we no longer have pigs. I only have the big one, and I sold them due to for the fact that I'm trying to downsize a little bit in case if, you know, because like I said, next year we want to try to turn you around. Next year we're thinking about selling and, you know, getting some more property, and I can always start over. That's why some of them goats right there, they're going to be either freezer camp, or they will be I'll be trying to sell them also. So I can always start over. I'm not afraid to start over. If I do end up just selling everybody, I can always start over with, you know, better quality goats. You know, good milking line goats is what I would really like. So just going to depend on what happens. You know, God has a plan for everything, and we just have to go with his plan. But today I'm going to actually be cleaning out the chicken house. I'll be taking down that building. It's going to have to come today, because if not, it's going to fall straight back and land on that house. That little plastic house is not that great in the first place. You know, it holds chickens, that's about it. But we've been trying to clean up. I did get my onions planted, and I'm waiting on my potatoes actually to get their eyes on them, so I'm able to you know, put them in the dirt. I'm ready for that. What are we doing, guys? You ready for some breakfast, ain't you? Yeah, Thomas is mad. His girlfriend's over here. Well, you're the one who let her. Can't have a rogue girlfriend. Gotta get everybody some fresh water. This whole area will eventually be clean. Those pallets will go in the burn pile. That cage is going to end up being a dog cage. But this whole area is going to be clean. I can't really do much about the stumps, but I would like to get some seed and kind of put some seed out here, as long as these animals stay in their area, which it doesn't really look like they're going to. Hey, you're not supposed to be going through that fence. What are you doing? You're the reason why you need to go in a cage, huh? Tears up everything. Rabbits. I need to clean the rabbits, but I don't really have an update on the rabbits. Rabbits are just rabbits. Let's see. Let me turn here. Oh, let me tell you about the bees first. So over here in this area, I actually moved my beehive. So I made like another little area for me to have my apiary kind of sit in this area, because there's a lot of sun in this area. And I know some of these trees I probably will have to get rid of. This table, it was no longer stable, so I needed to do something. So I put everybody over here. That hive and the green one, it did die. So I'm hoping I can just leave that box there. Maybe a swarm will take over, because I left all the old comb in there and stuff. So hopefully a swarm will actually just take over that box. I had planned on checking this hive today, because we are supposed to be up to like 80 degrees. Of course, we live in Texas. I've been having some really good weather here for the past couple of days. But I was planning on checking them today, but it's really windy, and they get really aggravated when it's windy and you're checking on them. So I don't think I'm going to actually do that. But eventually I will add another one of those probably down to the left. And, you know, hopefully I can put more boxes on, you know, as we go, as we catch swarms and stuff like that. Hopefully. What's Spiky doing? You're about ready for some breakfast too, ain't you? Oh, ready for some breakfast? I know. Give me that lip. Get down, you seal. You look like a seal. Let's talk about the rabbits for just a second. This female right here in this cage, she did have babies. She did not take care of them. None of these does had babies. I had it written down. It's past their time. None of them had babies. So probably in March, I'm not going to breed anybody right now. I say that. I might put the 2 Californians in with their male. But as of right now, I think I'm going to wait till March, kind of whenever we're getting, you know, over our last freeze. And that's when I'll probably start breeding again. I do have one, 2, probably 3 males that will be going in the, to freezer camp. And that will at least, you know, lower my, that will at least lower my count on rabbits. So we'll see. We'll just have to see what happens. Not a big, you know, not a big thing with the rabbits right now. There's no new babies. So, but I do want to tell y'all about my garden beds that are in the front. So garden beds that are in the front, I have been, I went and got a load of dirt. I have been filling those up, you know, with dirt today. I need to get all that old hay and put down in the bottom of some of them. And then that way I can put my manure, my rabbit manure, and then we will put soil on top of it, some gardening soil on top of it. There's my other house shoe. Stinking dog. She takes off with everything. She took off my house shoe. She'll tear it up too. So I'm going to take y'all over here and I'm going to show y'all kind of what we've been doing on this side. See, she done tore up stuff again. She's going to have to be put right back up. Can't trust that dog to leave her out. She tears up everything. But, so here we go. So I got my, hopefully y'all can see this. I got my beds here. This one, I had these little plants over in that first one. But I moved them over here. I need to give them some water. This is just a practice run. Just to kind of see if my soil is going to be good enough soil. I am going to add some peat moss in here. And some, probably some vitamins. Just to kind of, you know, give it a boost for the springtime. But this right here is just, I had these actually in that very first one, and I moved them down here. But I wanted to kind of leave them and give them a chance. But this, I need to give them some water. I hadn't watered them yet. But yeah, we've been filling these. Like this one has nothing in it. I'll put that hay down in the bottom of this. And then I got some wood chips over here. I may stuff that down in here. And then I'll put some rabbit manure down here. And then we'll put our soil on top. And then these, I moved these out of the way because we had to bring in that dirt. So that's kind of what's happening with that. I'm really excited about that. I still got to go get some cattle panels and, you know, make my arches for my cucumbers and my squash and stuff like that. And kind of just a, you know, kind of what we're doing on the homestead here. But maybe I will have a different kind of video later on about the chickens. I may do it a different day. I may not do it today. But I do have a different video. I was sent something and I need to kind of, you know, give it some attention and see if the chickens are going to like it. And I hope that they do. Because it'll, you know, I'm trying to get them to lay me some eggs. I ain't got any eggs in a while. Eggs are, you know, they're spiking up with them eggs prices. I bet fell out the other day. The stores had to pay $5 for a dozen eggs. No, actually, was it $5? I don't know if it was $5.99 or $6.99. But, I mean, that's why I have chickens. They're supposed to be laying eggs. But, I don't know. We'll see. But, yep, y'all. What are you doing, girl? She's crazy. Y'all stick around, guys. We got lots of adventures coming. Spring's coming. I did put a swarm trap out already. We'll see. I'll go check that here in about a week just to see if any activity's kind of happening on it. Which that'd be pretty neat if it was. But we'll have a whole nother playlist for the bees this year, catching in the swarm traps and stuff like that. Hopefully we can catch like 2 or 3 of them this year. That'd be great. And then I'll do another update whenever I have that greenhouse over here, and it'll probably be just a square until I get my other those UV panels on it and stuff. So now stick around, guys. Like and subscribe and check out my other videos and kind of see, you know, what's happening. I ain't done a video in a little while, but we need to get back at it and, you know, getting y'all some more content going. But y'all have a good one, guys. See you later.